Okay, I need to log into Hoppy and try and find a painter to do the upstairs painting, hopefully this week. Okay, log in, painters and decorators, yeah. What service am I looking for? Interior wall, yeah. Hallway, yep. Wall and skirting. Oh, this is good, you can tick a few things. Are the surfaces ready to paint? Yes, can be painted, tick. Will you provide materials? No. Hopefully they can do that. Yes, the professionals should provide all materials, tick. Brilliant. Job description. I hope they're not marking me on my spelling. Next, add attachment, okay. Hoppy hallway picture. So easy. Next. Your job has been posted. Okay, so I just need to wait for some emails. Might as well make another cup of tea. Oh, I've already got a text. That's quick. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, a professional is interested in your job. View profile, great company, local. Got their portfolio. Oh, wow. Oh, I love that painting. Actually, that's a bit like what I want. That's a really good reference. Brilliant.